Over the last 12 months, I've sold 6,000 plus products for about $700,000 on Amazon. And in today's video, I want to break down 7 products that I purchased on eBay that I flipped on Amazon for some pretty awesome profits. Now, I get asked all the time, Steve, can you share exactly what you're buying and what you're selling? Like, share the exact products. I want to know what you paid, what you sold it for, what was your ROI, what was your profit. So in this video, I'm going to be doing that and breaking down every single one of these 7 items that I purchased on eBay and flipped on Amazon for a profit. Now, before we get into today's video, I want to give a big shout out to the sponsor of the video, which is SellerAmp. And matter of fact, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down every single one of these flips with the tool SellerAmp. One of the things that I love most about SellerAmp is they have a Chrome extension, and every single time you're analyzing a deal on Amazon, you could pull up the Chrome extension and you could put in your buy cost, your selling price, and SellerAmp will break down what your profit will be and your ROI. In addition, SellerAmp does a bunch of other things as well. It helps you to do product research. You could storefront stalk other sellers. It'll share with you the sales rank of an item that you're analyzing, how many sales it's had over the last month. You could even see your break-even cost if like the item tanks and you're trying to figure out like what's the lowest I could sell this to at least break even. Another cool thing with SellerAmp is you can also see all of the offers on the listing. So before you go to sell an item, you could see everybody who's on the listing, if they're merchant fulfilled or FBA, what are they pricing the item at, and that's only the beginning. SellerAmp also has a mobile app as well. So if you're doing retail arbitrage, going to places like Walmart, Target, Ollie's, Kohl's, and you're sourcing in store, you could download the SellerAmp mobile app and you could scan products to be able to see how much money you're going to make if you sell them on Amazon. Now, regardless if you're using the Chrome extension or if you're using the app, another cool thing SellerAmp has is they have a built-in Keepa chart. So you can see the price history of an item, you could see the offer count, if the offer count is going up or if it's going down. Plus, you could dive into some pretty in-depth buy box statistics when you're using SellerAmp as well. And all of this is without a Keepa subscription. So again, I just want to give a big shout out to SellerAmp. If you're doing any form of retail arbitrage or online arbitrage, I'd highly recommend getting a free trial. I'm going to put a link down below in the description and I'll put it on the screen as well. Just go there, get a free 14-day free trial. And I'm telling you right now, this will help you to make sure you're buying items that are actually profitable, that are actually going to sell. And I couldn't run my business without it. All right, well, let's dive into these 7 hot selling products that I purchased on eBay and flipped on Amazon for some killer profits. All right, the first flip is a DVD. And if you've been following me for a while, then you know I absolutely love flipping DVDs from eBay to Amazon. You can see the eBay screenshot right now of the purchase that I made for $14.75. It was actually delivered at the end of April. And if you take a look at the screenshots on the right-hand side, you can see that I actually sold this item for $39. And if you take a look at the SellerAmp screenshot, I ended up making $12.50 profit and 84% ROI. This is why I love flipping DVDs, and specifically new DVDs. New DVDs sell really fast and the margins are extremely high. Also, if you take a look at the SellerAmp screenshot, you'll notice that this was a 20,000 BSR, that's best seller rank. And there were 11 sales over the last 30 days. So you know this item definitely has demand. When it comes to DVDs, I typically want to stay between 20 to 30,000 on the minimum, up to about 125,000 rank. Now, I will go less than 20,000 rank at times, but normally I stay away from going that low just because there's a higher risk of the item being counterfeit. Now, if you're worried about selling counterfeit DVDs on Amazon, I would highly recommend checking out my free guide down below. It's called the DVD Counterfeit Prevention Guide. So if you check out that link down below, I've got a resource that I created that can help you to avoid buying DVDs that are bootlegged or counterfeited. But overall, this first DVD flip was awesome. It made $12.50 profit. And this is a really great type of item that you can definitely go after and sell on Amazon. Again, I sourced this item on eBay, but you can find DVDs all over the place. Thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, garage sales, even laying around your house. All right, let's move on to flip number 2. And this is a pretty cool item right here. This is an older item. This is one of those vintage Sony Walkman cassette players. This was brand new sealed. And as you can see from the eBay picture, I paid $133.22. And if you take a look at the SellerAmp screenshot, I ended up selling this for $233.50. And again, this is what I love about using SellerAmp, especially when I'm sourcing on the computer, is I can pull up the Chrome extension and I can put in my buy cost, I can put in my selling price, and it'll break down my profit, it'll break down my ROI. And of course, it'll give me a bunch of additional information such as as if I'm eligible to sell the item, how many monthly sales there are, if there's any warnings about IPs, and it'll even share with you your break-even price, which is essentially the lowest you'll be able to sell the item in order to break even and get your money back. So for example, with this item that I paid $133 on, you can see that SellerAmp is telling me if I wanted to break even and just cut my losses, maybe the listing ends up tanking in price, I would have to sell it for $151.82 because after fees, that would be my break-even price. But as you can see, I actually sold this item for $233 and made about $75 profit. All right, how we doing? Flip number 3, another DVD flip. So this is an item that I picked up for $28.63. This was a 4-disc DVD set, first season of Joey. This item had a sales rank of 62,000 in the movies category, had about 11 days with at least one sale over the last month, paid $28.63. And as you can see, after the breakdown with SellerAmp, after selling it for $57.72, I made $14.58 profit and nearly 51% ROI. Now, if you're wondering what's the best way to be able to list and ship your DVDs and items to Amazon, if you're not using a prep center, I highly recommend using GoToLister. If you look at the screenshot in the top right-hand corner of the screen, you can see that GoToLister will also give you a breakdown as well. Now, this definitely doesn't replace SellerAmp because SellerAmp's a product research tool that you could use on the fly when you're analyzing deals. GoToLister is more on the back end when you're listing your items and shipping your items. But one cool thing about GoToLister is they actually have an app where it'll break down your profit. It'll break down all the Amazon fees. You could actually see how much money you net at the end of the day. Because on SellerAmp, you're running your numbers on the front end before you sell it. But with GoToLister, it helps you to list and ship your items super fast and also help you with profit analytics on the back end. Overall, this was another awesome DVD flip. And I'm telling you right now, if you're new to selling on Amazon, maybe you're just getting started with thrifting or going to library sales, or maybe you're starting to do some eBay to Amazon flipping, DVDs is one of the best categories to get started with. And the return rates are very, very low. Typically with DVDs, my return rate's like only anywhere from like 2 to 4%. It's really, really low compared to other categories like electronics and tools, which could be 8, 9, even 10% or more return rate. All right, let's get on to flip number 4. And I love this type of stuff right here. I love these old Radica games. There's a whole bunch of different models and versions. This is the solitaire version, the big screen solitaire version from 2004. And if you're wondering who in the right mind is paying $173 for this item, honestly, I don't know, but I don't buy items because maybe I think it's a good idea, or maybe I say to myself, I would never buy that. I buy items based on the data. And when it comes to analyzing deals, one thing that you're always going to want to look at is Keepa. And that's a great thing about having SellerAmp. You don't even need a Keepa subscription, which is like $20 a month. Now, I know you can't see it in this video right now, but if you're using SellerAmp and you're using their Chrome extension to be able to put in your buy cost, your selling price, see your ROI, see your profit, you could also scroll down on SellerAmp, and I'll put some B-roll on the screen. They have a Keepa chart that's built in 100% for free, and you don't need a subscription. And you could take a look at the price history. You could see how many times this solitaire item has sold over the last 30, 90, 180 days, 365 days. You can see how the sales rank's been changing over time. You could check the price history. Matter of fact, with SellerAmp, you could even look at the buy box statistics to see what other sellers have been winning the buy box at. So to make a long story short, I'm not buying items because I think like it's silly or like who would pay for that. I'm literally using the data that I'm gaining from SellerAmp, from Keepa, and I'm putting it all together. And if the margins are there, if the ROI is looking good, then I buy that item. So let's take a look here. I bought this item on April 8th, as you can see, and I paid $81.55. This was brand new sealed. This is the exact listing that I purchased from Excel Ron on eBay. And if you take a look at the screenshots on the right-hand side, I sold this for $173.99, ended up making $59 profit and nearly 72% ROI. So Amazon ended up taking out about $32 in fees. And the fees will vary based on the items that you're selling, based on the category, how big it is. Honestly, I'll never buy an item to flip unless I'm using SellerAmp when I'm doing online arbitrage, because you need to know what the fees are. So again, there was about $30 plus in fees, and again, netted just about $60 in profit on this item. And I'm just saying right now, guys, if you're flipping from eBay to Amazon, if you're going to thrift stores, if you ever see these Radica games, Mostly new sealed, but sometimes they sell for good money used. Look them up. There's so much money in these items. So thank you so much, SellerAmp, for helping me to flip this item. All right, let's get into flip number 6. And we're back, baby. We're back with DVDs because you know that I am obsessed with DVDs. As you can see, I purchased this item on eBay April 19th for $17.99. And if you're wondering, Steve, how in the world are you finding all of these deals? I actually use a tool called ReplenCatcher. So this is a software that I developed about 2 years ago, and it's been getting better and better every single week. And essentially what ReplenCatcher does is it automates the process of finding deals on eBay that are undervalued that you could then flip on Amazon for a profit. So if you're interested in starting to source items like DVDs, books, board games, video games, pretty much any category, you can use ReplenCatcher to do that. ReplenCatcher has access to over 2 million products in the live stream to source. All you have to do is choose your profit, your ROI, choose a category, and it'll literally serve you hundreds of thousands of deals. Another cool thing about ReplenCatcher is you can also upload your own list of ASINs because ReplenCatcher is only tracking about 2 million products in their database, and there's like 300 million products on Amazon. So what a lot of our users do is they upload their own custom list of ASINs, their own replens that aren't being tracked in ReplenCatcher, and then they track them 24/7 on eBay. Honestly, that's how we use the software the most, and there's just so much potential. But anyways, as you can see, I purchased this live aid item for $17.99. And if you take a look at the screenshot from SellerAmp, I flipped this for $51.42. And I always include the GoToLister screenshot as well, because again, if you use GoToLister, it'll show your exact sales. So I just want to show proof that I'm actually selling these items, right? I'm not only listing and shipping them with GoToLister, but on the back end of GoToLister, it'll share with you and pull in all of your orders and break down all of the profit. Again, SellerAmp's on the front end, GoToLister's on the back end when you list and ship, right? ReplenCatcher helps you find the items. SellerAmp helps you analyze and do product research. GoToLister helps you list and ship and track your profit analytics on the back end. $20 profit on one DVD. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. $20 profit on one DVD, 114% ROI. And these aren't like my best flips. Guys, I'm sharing like singles and doubles, right? These aren't like anything like extraordinary. I have flips I could share with you that are making 120, 150, 170, right? But on average, my average profit is about $30 per flip. I have a video that's going to be coming out soon where I'm going to share how I am tracking all my numbers every single week. So I have all these KPIs that I track. I track my average profit per item, my net profit per week, my gross sales. I track a whole bunch of different things. So I'll come out with that video soon, but I track it. Usually it's about like anywhere from like $28 to $36 per flip on average if you take the highs and lows and average them all out. So 114% ROI. This was an awesome pickup with ReplenCatcher. And thanks again, SellerAmp, for helping me to analyze this deal. All right, let's get into the next item right here. And again, what do you know? It's a DVD, The Twilight Zone. I love this show, guys. By the way, like The Twilight Zone, I have so many amazing memories of just watching The Twilight Zone with my mom, and we still watch it from time to time. Sometimes they run those series on TV where it's like 24 hours of like The Twilight Zone. Anyways, I picked up 4 of these, as you can see from the screenshot, for $186.68. If you divide the 4 of them by 4 to get the average buy price, it comes out to about $46.67. Well, I ended up selling one for $99.77. And SellerAmp, after breaking down all of the expenses and everything, and also with SellerAmp, you could put in miscellaneous fees, prep center fees, like virtual assistant fees. After all said and done, I made about $31.11 on this flip, and these were all brand new sealed. So I'm sure I sold more, but this was just one of the flips I wanted to share out of the 4. I'm sure by now I've probably sold all of them because these sell pretty well. 34,000 rank, 12 sales per month, but made about $31 profit on this flip. Another DVD. I'm telling you guys, I'm not special. I say this all the time. I'm literally just using these tools to find the deals on ReplenCatcher, list them with GoToLister, analyze and do all my product research with SellerAmp, and then I get paid. And of course, you don't need ReplenCatcher to source. Of course, you don't need SellerAmp and Keepa and GoToLister. Like, you could list with Amazon Seller Central. You could manually source. You could do everything on your own, but what is your time worth, right? So for me, I can only share what I'm doing. I know some people are like, I want to do it for free. I want to do it like with no money out of my pocket. Guys, I'm not making this channel to give you guys another job, right? I'm trying to share with you guys the tools that I'm using to save a bunch of time, right? And it's not like you have to go through my affiliate links or anything. Do you see me? I'm not pumping affiliate links or say, go through my link and coupon code this and that. I'm just sharing what I'm doing. Go use the softwares, go check them out. Your time is money in this business. All right, so let's get into the last flip right now. Here we have a little retro game right here. This is a unopened box of, I don't know if it's called Jake specific or Jack specific Pac-Man. I'm not an expert at pronouncing these games. games. Matter of fact, I don't even know how to use them. I don't know how to play with them. I'm literally just using SellerAmp to read the data on Keepa, to plug in my numbers, to look at the ROI, to look at the profits. So, hey, don't come after me for not knowing how to pronounce things, but I'll tell you what I do know how to pronounce, and it's one word: profit. $75 profit on this flip. Sourced it with ReplenCatcher, analyzed it with SellerAmp, paid $108.99, sold it for $209.99. You can see the proof from my go-to-lister screenshot. I paid $108.99. The fees were about $25.84, and I made about $75 profit at the end of the day. And a lot of people will say, I'm not going to buy a toy if it's over 100,000 or 200,000 rank. I sell toys up to like 700,000 to 800,000 rank because it's not the rank that matters. It's the history. It's using SellerAmp to look at Keepa to see, is there a history of this item selling a month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago? How many times is it selling per month? I don't care about the rank. Yes, it's in the top 7%. It's a little bit high, but I sold this item fairly quickly and I made $75 profit, 69% ROI. So use SellerAmp and use Keepa to look and see how often is it selling? How many sellers are on the listing? Go into the buy box statistics within SellerAmp and take a look to see what previous sellers won the buy box at. And if they're not on the listing anymore and they won the buy box before, they probably sold it at that price. I've talked about this plenty times before in the past, but use the buy box statistics within Keepa that's stored within SellerAmp. Again, you don't even need a Keepa subscription, but I love flipping stuff like this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this training. If you guys are interested, I know I wasn't going to mention any links, but I got to give a shout out to SellerAmp. They did sponsor this video. If you guys are interested in a free 14-day trial, you don't have to use my affiliate link here, guys. I just want to support SellerAmp. I appreciate them being a sponsor. My team and I, we're buying over 500 items every single month from eBay to flip on Amazon, and we're always using SellerAmp before we analyze a deal. We literally could not run our business without SellerAmp. So I want to spread the love. Big shout out to SellerAmp. If you want to support the channel, definitely check out the affiliate link. If not, check out SellerAmp regardless. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed these 7 hot selling items that I flipped on Amazon. And if you have any more questions about selling on Amazon, drop a question down below, or just, reach out to me on Instagram, or, comment on YouTube. It doesn't matter. I'm here for you guys. And with that being said, much love. See you in the next one. Bye.